This is the Couchmaster from Nerdy Tech. It's a unique way to bring your gaming keyboard and your mouse to the living room so that you can play on the big screen. So let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. Inside of the box, you're going to see two cushions, and you're going to get the top part of the Couchmaster, which is basically a desk, and a couple of cables. You're actually going to get a lot of cables. All of these cables are a part of the USB hub that is on the top of the Couchmaster. We're going to explain that in a minute. Also inside of the box is a mouse pad. On the back of the mouse pad, you can see that there is some adhesive. You can go ahead and stick that to the Couchmaster if you want, so that your mouse pad won't move around. I think that's pretty clever. And you're also going to get this little pouch to organize your cables. You can go ahead and stick this also to the Couchmaster, but that's optional. Alright, so this is the top part of the Couchmaster. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And it is pretty big. So, alright, and here we go. Yeah. As you can see on the top right here, here are your two USB ports, and there's plenty of space to put your full-size keyboard and your mouse. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. So, let's see, we can open this up. Okay, over here is the cable management. This is where you'll put your cables, and there's a screw right there that opens it up. Now let's talk about the built-in USB ports. The first one is a USB 2.0 port, and the second one is a USB 3.0 port for fast charging. So once you open up the back of the Couchmaster, you're going to see some space for cable management, and then you're going to see 4 more USB ports, 2 on the left and then 2 on the right. Personally, I think it's way too many USB ports, but PC gamers, they can never have enough ports. So it's optional if you want to use these USB ports, but if you want to use the USB ports, you got to connect it with this power supply that it comes with. It's very easy to connect, as you can see right here. Let's say your PC is right next to your living room TV. You can go ahead and connect it with the USB port, and then from there you can connect whatever you want, like your keyboard, your mouse, or your gaming controller. Okay, so as you can see right here, I got the Couchmaster set up. I got my keyboard, I got my mouse, ready to start gaming. But you don't have to use this just for your keyboard or mouse. You can also use it with your laptop. So you can bring your laptop to the couch or your bed, and you got a full desk setup. You can use my mouse, and of course, I got my USB ports right there. And I got the cable management with this hole right here that I showed off previously. I like that I can kind of lean on the cushion over here. And yeah, it has a plastic feel to it, but it still feels pretty sturdy. It's a little bit hollow on the inside, but again, that's where you'll put your cables, of course. And then when you're done, you know, you just take all your stuff. There's a little side compartment over here, so I can go ahead and put my mouse on this little side pocket. And when you're done gaming or you want to get up and stretch, you just move the top, put it to the side, and that's it. And I know this looks pretty big because, well, it really is big. But it's also really easy to store. You can just put it under your couch, under your bed, or just throw it in the closet, and it won't take up that much space. And these cushions over here, you can leave it on your couch, you can leave it on your bed, and you can leave it like for back support or like for as an armrest, I guess. You just gotta be mindful of this cable that is sticking out. Make sure you don't trip over it. But this cable is optional. You don't need to have all this plugged up. That cable is just for the USB hubs, as I said before. If you have a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard like I do, then you don't really need this wire, so that's completely optional. It is pretty comfortable, and I think it's gonna be very handy for me. Also, I like that over here for the armrest, it's a little bit curved, and there's a little bit of a rubber cushion right there, so it makes resting your arms more comfortable. So that about does it for my review on the Couchmaster from Nerdy Tech. I think this will make a great addition to your gaming room or your living room. Or like I said, you can use it with your laptop and you can work on your bed or work on your couch while you're watching TV. You have plenty of different ways to use it for productivity and gaming. So for that reason, I recommend it. And as always, you can find a link in the video description below.